Buenas tardes, damas y caballeras. Pues puede ser que es mañana para ustedes. I said good afternoon, but you might see this in the morning. So I want to first of all go through this 2-day assignment. So you used tener phrases. So you're filling in the blank. Mario no conjugated for tener. Tiene que, he's a he, right? This is a good verb box for you because it has your subject pronouns there. Maybe I will make them a little bit bigger. There we go. So you can see right there what the subjects are supposed to be. Maybe I'll copy this one over to today's assignment. I think that is highlighted. That is not something we need. Okay, well, I can't make it go away. Okay, so anyway, los niños blank vergüenza. Los niños, there's more than one. They're boys, so you're going to use this one over here. No tienen vergüenza. So really all you're doing is practicing conjugation on this section. En Las Vegas, mis padres no tienen suerte. They are not lucky. La profesora no siempre, she's one lady. So we're going to use third singular. No tiene razón. Si yo tengo mucha sed, me gusta tomar agua. If I'm really thirsty, I like to drink water. Cada mañana nosotros, your nosotros spot is right here. Nosotros tenemos, we are really tired. Every morning we are really tired. Literally, we have a lot of tiredness, but that's not the way we speak in English. So when we translate it, we say we are really tired, even though the verb that is used in Spanish means to have. It doesn't do any good if you don't translate it in a way that people can understand. El perro blank prisa. El perro is one thing or they're kind of little people. El perro tiene prisa. The dog is in a hurry. He wants to find the bone. El sobrino is also third singular. Tiene mi sobrino. My cousin is afraid of swimming in the lake but he does like the pool. My kids, more than one person, so we're going to say tienen mucha hambre después de la escuela. My kids are really hungry. Literally, they have a lot of hunger. That's not how we say it, though. So we say they're really hungry. That's the best translation. En Julio, todo el mundo, this is kind of a hard one. Todo el mundo, we're saying everyone, but in Spanish, you consider a group of people. If you're speaking about the group, the unit, the family, the class, the team, the whole world, everyone. Everyone is a thing. Now, there are a lot of people within that thing, but you're conjugating according to the thing. So, todo el mundo tiene calor. Guess I gave you that answer right in the worksheet. Susana blank celos. She's the third singular, a he, a she, or a you, formal, or sometimes a thing. Tiene celos a su hermano. She's jealous of her brother. Él llega tarde diario. He arrives late every day. Dice que su madre, he says his mom is to blame, or it's his mom's fault. La madre tiene la culpa. Oftentimes I find that's pretty true. Mucha gente dice que si uno gana mucho dinero, uno tiene éxito. He or she is successful. One is successful. En enero nosotros tenemos frío en la clase porque siempre hace frío en la escuela. In January, we're always cold in class because it's always cold in the school. My classroom is always opposite ends of the temperature spectrum. In the spring and fall, my room seems to be the warmest room, and in the winter, it is one of the coldest. El equipo blank, so this is another group, but we're saying el equipo, the team, the unit, is how we're going to conjugate that. So el equipo tiene, that's a singular conjugation. Tiene muchas ganas de ganar el partido contra Traverse City. They really feel like winning the game against Traverse City. Okay, so now we're going to write sentences based on what we see in the picture. I would say Miguel tiene hambre. Mike is hungry, it looks like. That guy, everybody's giving him a thumbs up. He must have been successful. El hombre tiene éxito. He was successful. Oh, this poor guy's thirsty, or is he hot? I think he's probably hot. Yo, we're going to conjugate according to the yo form. Yo tengo calor. Or maybe you said tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Probably those things go hand in hand. What's going on with this guy here? Is he mad? Well, you got to think of a tener phrase. That might be it. These two are looking kind of lovey, so I think he's jealous. Ellos tienen de celos. So I realize I gave you ellos, and this angry looking egg is just one, but it's just what I did. So mis hermanas, there's a cake for a 5-year-old, so we're going to say are 5 years old. They literally tienen 5 años. Los alumnos, oh, they look embarrassed. Los alumnos, the students, tienen vergüenza. See if I can remember this code. Nope, I didn't remember the code. Can I find it quick and easy for us? I got it somewhere around here. I rearranged my office, so I haven't worked in here in a while, and I have not pulled out this little cheat sheet since I got here. No, that's not right. I want 0252. Vergüenza. Tienen vergüenza. This little guy, who apparently is you, is afraid. Tienes miedo. I think you had a black eye. My husband is really nervous because I sent him a Snapchat with that stupid filter on Snapchat with that is a black eye. Only the Snapchat said, how on earth is this supposed to be funny or entertaining?
It's not. I thought like it zapped and blew up in your face.
No, it's okay. I'm fine, honey. Oh no, are you okay?
No, that was very scary.
I'm sorry.
And I tried both outlets and they both work.
Okay, I'm in the middle of a video.
Okay.
You're okay. I'm sorry.
Don't send me those.
I was sorry, everybody. Nosotros, we're tired here. Nosotros tenemos sueño. He must have thought I sent him one earlier that said, how on earth is a black eye funny? Why would you want to use this? Obviously, he doesn't think that's funny. And then afterward, I said, you must not have used the outlet where I was plugging my computer in because it doesn't work. He didn't think I was very funny. Okay, so there are all of the answers for the other day. So what are you going to do today? Well, this is what your work looks like. Here we go. So you have to decide, do you want to use ser or star or tener? So everything you've been learning is going to come all together now. For example, my dog is hungry. So when you see is, it sounds like it could be Sarah or a star. He is. Él está or él es. Which one? Neither. It's a tener phrase. Hunger is a tener phrase. So you're going to look at these sentences in English. So I said, my dog is hungry. Am I going to use ser, a star, or a tener phrase? My answer is a tener phrase. Tener hambre is to be hungry. My brother is late to work every day. Is that ser? Is it a star? Or is it a tener phrase? What do you think? So you, in these blanks, are only going to write either ser, a star, or tener phrase. You don't have to do anything with the Spanish there other than look at the notes and figure out the rules. So let's look at this. There we go. So when you're trying to figure out whether you're going to use ser or a star, you want these reasons right here. So unless you've printed them out, open this in another tab so you can go back and forth and use it as a resource. So in the next section, I am tired today. So if you've been doing your work, then you will know that you're going to say yo, what? To be tired, tener sueño. So you're going to say yo tengo sueño hoy. That's what you'll type right here. Mario is in the house. What are you going to use? Is that a tener phrase? Can't remember? Well, look and see. He's in the house. So you have to look through all these if you don't have them memorized and see if any of them meet what you're saying in the sentence. None of them do, I'll tell you right now. That's not a tener phrase. So if I say he's in the house, now we have to look at the reasons. Which one of these reasons fits? He's in the house sounds like location to me, so you're going to use a star. Then you look at the star verb box. He's one guy, está. So you're going to say, Mario está en la casa. There you go. And you're just going to keep going. You're going to do that for every single sentence, and there are 8 of those. Then you're going to go on to these 5 and fill in the blank with whatever needs to go there. So ellos blank en casa. Ellos, I said, están. Why? Because it's location. So I want you to take it one step further. The reason that you find that calls for either ser or a star needs to be listed in for the last 5, please. So I am 15 years old. So if you are 15 years old, you're going to look and say, wait a minute, is this a tener phrase? Doesn't appear to be one there. Oh, look at this. Tener años. So now I have to say, am I going to put in the blank? A form of tener. So that is up to you, though, to look at right here, the yo form, tengo, yo tengo, we're back here, yo tengo 15 años. Why is it tener? Because it's a tener phrase. You could just say idiom if you want. So you're going to do that and submit, and tomorrow you're going to work on Book It. You did kind of a lot of written stuff this week, so we'll take a break and play a game for a couple days. I want to edit that. What I've done is I merged this there in a star Book It with the tener phrase Book It. And so I do want to edit some of the answers and mix them up a little more for you, but that will be your practice tomorrow. So kind of just a game day tomorrow. Okay, chicos, I hope you have a really great day, and I hope you're seeing this video so you know what you're doing. Adios, chicos.